Hi guys, welcome to Sons of Cane. This week we're going to CaneMasters with Grandmaster Mark Schey's CaneMaster techniques.
So this week we're looking at CT2, where we're going to do it from 3 different positions: standing, 2 canes and chair position. So this is the bunkai from that technique. So I've got my aggressor. We are going to run this slow because obviously I don't want to be striking too hard with a hickory cane. So we're just going to run this slow to give you an idea, and I'll give you a couple of little bits and pieces to add on to it if you want. So I'm here, aggressor's coming in. What I'm doing with this hand, in case this doesn't come up in time, I've got a secondary guard. I'm using the fan block to knock the arm away. Then I'm striking at the ankle, and then I can go to the side or all the way round to strike the head. Now please remember, striking to the head will cause serious damage, so this is a life and death strike for you. Nothing wrong with hitting the top of the collarbone or the trapezius muscle on that one. So with this one again, so I've done the block, I've taken that away. Now, linking into our vital point strikes, we've got this one here. We've also got the gallbladder 32 strike. We've also got the strike on the top of the head, or if we bring the cane down slightly, onto the third eye point. So again, looking at what we've done already, you can link these in so they actually come together a bit more, so you've got a few more variables on the target. Also, from here, there's nothing wrong with giving a nice big sweep down as well to do a nice long strike with that as well to generate more power. So from the chair position, the hand's still in the guard position, so the attack will come in. We have the upward fan block, followed by the strike, and then we're going to rotate down and do a strike to the head. Moving the chair around at 180 degrees, it wouldn't be a viable option in this case. So from the front, you can see the guard hand, attacks coming in, we have the block, the lower strike, and then we're going to roll it round for a downward strike to the head or to the collarbone. So what we're going to see here is this fan block, so with the right punch, we're going to strike the forearm and clear it away. It will break the arm or the wrist. So we've hit the arm, cleared it, yep. So we've struck the point on the inside of the leg, and then we're rolling it down and we're striking the top of the head. So the aggressor's coming in, striking with the right hand. We've broken the arm, cleared the arm, we've lifted the cane up, which gives you a secondary block, and it also allows you to roll the cane over to bring your downward strike. Right. If the attacker is using his left hand, nothing changes. You're blocking, you're still striking the arm, you're striking to the outside of the leg, bringing it up for a secondary block to roll it down onto the head. So regardless of which arm they're using, the CT will work for either arm that's attacking you. This is from 2 cane position, so both canes for stability, bringing the cane up for the fan block, rotating around for the strike, and then rolling over again, strike to the head. Limited mobility, you're not going to get that 180 turn in. So same CT from the front, so we've got the block, striking down, rolling over, striking the top of the head or the collarbone. Bearing in mind your attacker is going to be in close, so he's going to be in striking range. Again, fan block, striking the elbow and the forearm, breaking and clearing, leading it through to a strike, rolling the cane, either striking the top of the head or the collarbone, depending upon the level of threat.
Right guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, any comments, stick them down below.
Don't forget to subscribe guys, leave us your comments. As usual guys, anything you want to see or you've got something to show us, pop it in the comments section. Let's collaborate. Let's get this out there. Don't forget, ring the bell, free the fear.